What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. That means Joe's out here. You know he's got some stuff on this truck, so let's take a look and see what he's got today. You guys, come on.
Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I got something kind of cool to see today.
Cool to see today.
Even though it's hot here, but
we like the cool stuff, Joe. All kind of stuff in boxes.
I got all kinds of stuff in boxes and making a package deal on this with some sockets for a young man. He's getting his choice, either reversible socket wrenches or flexible wrenches.
Nice.
And we're talking GP sockets,
Dual sockets?
dual sockets,
Yeah.
yeah. So nothing but.
So Gertie's got a new band,
Gertie's got a new man.
Gertie's got a new man.
Yeah, and he's pretty excited about that. But you're gonna have to get over here so you can get a look at this. Yeah, one of my Cornwell customs I had. I got a guy a bigger toolbox, but if you can see, there's a 10-point buck in there, and I always liked this box.
95th anniversary.
Yep.
That's nice. Stainless steel top.
Yep.
Was that 30 inches deep?
Stainless steel top, 65 inches. One thing Cornwell does, all their wide drawers have double slides on them. Yeah.
What is it, 30 deep?
30 inches deep, yes.
It's a nice box.
Yep.
What you get there? A full stainless?
That's a cobalt one I took in on trade and didn't want to, but I did.
Full stainless though, huh?
But it's got a new home a little bit later today.
Well, there you go. Got all kind of stuff in here.
Yeah. I got some other choices for this young man over here, so
That's good.
getting him a little startup.
Well, Gertie, I'm proud you finally got you a man. You deserve it, old gal. That is a good looking car too.
They are. What's really nice with these, and locked. Got steel locking latches on both sides. No plastic. Boom, it's solid.
Those are nice cars. I like the way they got the cutouts for the deeper pry bars too, so the handles can sit
So
in
they
there
fit.
a little further. Yeah, that's nice. It's got it on this side too. Cool deal. Well, I guess we'll go in here in the air conditioner.
Yeah,
now.
where it's a little cooler. Oh man.
All right, before we get started with the inside of the truck video, I noticed Joe had one of these cordless circuit testers up here, and I actually showed mine maybe a month or so ago, and I really like it. I've got a generic version. This is the Astro version, and I've also got a Monster version, and I really like this, especially, you know, under dash work for sure. But the part number on it is a 7760 for you guys that is looking for one. It don't have a ground cable like this, like most test lights. You just stick it to it and you can touch any part of the vehicle.
You use your hand to be the ground.
And it grounds it out, and it'll tell you if you got power or not. But what's the price on
I got them for 30 bucks.
30 bucks. You can't beat that.
Now I can ship to you, and we'll get my number out to you, so you can give me a call and I can ship them out to you.
There you go. Well, there it is, guys. Somebody's asking about the metal one that I had. Of course, I've got the Monster one, but the metal one was the one I was asking about, and that's there you
Simple
go.
as that.
That's a good tool right there.
There we
Super
go.
handy.
So we're gonna just I got a couple here real quick. Yeah, some people don't trust me, but I have fun doing this. But we got Mr. Al in my hand. We have him for one right here. We got Mr. Gary Pope for two.
About time to draw it out, ain't it?
Well, we got packed down enough so there's enough in there. Nobody wants to feel they got a short number on there. All right. I got Milwaukee handheld soldering iron.
Okay.
M12, works with a battery. You plug it in, you turn it on. It takes about 18 seconds. You got a green light, tells you it is hot.
Okay.
Trust me, don't need to touch your finger on there. It's hot. It's ready. You got a different tip for a spade. You got your round pointed one.
What is that?
It gets up to 750 degrees. It's 90 watts. Heat up time says 18 seconds. And I guess on a 2.0 battery, you got 45 minutes of continuous time. And then it'll also tell you the light will cool down. It'll let you know when it's cool to put away.
Okay.
So it'll still be being green until it's time for you to put it away. Yes, I did have a 137.
Okay.
137. We have here master steering wheel service set.
Okay.
It's an OTC 7984. So you got all your different pullers. You got your long deep cone. You got some juice. You got your little hooks. It's everything for a steering wheel service. These are 180 bucks.
180.
It's OTC.
Good deal. So Gertie's got a new man, so you got a busy day unloading toolboxes.
A little bit. That's okay. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. I hope everybody blew up a whole bunch of stuff, kept all their fingers. It's always good to have fun, but keeping safe.
Did y'all shoot any fireworks?
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, I blew up a whole bunch. Yeah, we blew up a whole
Did y'all
bunch.
fire up the grill? Drank a bunch of beer?
Fired up the grill. I'm still doing this here, so nope, didn't drink much of anything except water. I reset my goal 2 different times. One more time today because I hit my second goal and reset it, so we're still going down more. So
good deal.
Yeah, it's a cool deal, good feeling.
You're gonna have to buy all new britches. They ain't gonna fit no more.
You know, yeah, these here, I'm telling you, I put on my belt and I gotta pull them out because they're all bunched up. But first I gotta find out where I settle out at before hearing this. I got button this other shirt because, you know, it looks like it's falling off or I'm all cockeyed or something, but that might be normal anyway. So, but anyways, I hope everybody had a great time. I hope if you're all close enough, you got time to spend with your family. I just got a chance to watch a lot of videos, do a lot of Skyping because my family is 1,000 miles away and my grandkids, and just got a lot of smiles and laughs. And we'll find something new and interesting for next time. Other than that, anything you need, my number is 731-412-7295. And yes, I will ship to you. If there's anything you need, if you don't see anything, just call me, ask me. If they make it, I pretty much can get it.
There you go. All right, guys, be sure to give Joe a text if you need anything. If you want any of our merchandise, it's right over there. Check the links in the description. Cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, and we got to go back to work. You guys have a great Monday, and see you next time.